What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Dre.
And it's your girl Desi.
Today we're gonna be reacting to NBA YoungBoy 4 Sons of a King Part 2. You ready?
Yeah.
You remember the first part?
Yeah.
Alright, let's get it. We got like more than four sons now, don't we?
We got a lot of kids.
Ain't told the grandpa ain't too much. Be ashamed of myself. I got betrayal on my heart. It's so much pain I done felt. And since I moved from out your house, I made it hard on myself. I wish that I could come back home, cause I'ma die right out here.
Okay.
Now why they blame me, came up, now they shame me. I'm the problem, it can't be. You just mad that you ain't.
Okay,
No
okay.
problem, I can't be.
Like the whole verse,
It's
like the whole verse.
Yeah, it's like he talking to himself. Like,
Amy came up, now they shame me. I'm the problem, it can't be. You just mad that you ain't me. I'm still remain. I got her, she say she got me. Come to find out she was like my last, she was wildly. Fuck it, I've been looking for
Okay, I like how you tied it together.
Yeah,
That
yeah,
that was hard.
just mad that you ain't me. I'm still remain. I got her, she say she got me. Come to find out she was like my last, she was wildly. Fuck it, I've been looking for the love anybody. Just how you was on that video, you better ride me. I'm a gangster, I die for you. Might get put up on side of me. Just the time me get handled it for the better I'm trying to be. They won't let see me in a cell, head down all alone. I told them bitches spell it case, I'm holding on, I'm too strong. Trying to stop me from leaving my show, I push your head with this chrome. Every time I think about Boozilla, I start dancing to the song.
I like this. I like this.
yeah, this is a
Yeah, for
vibe.
sure.
Like, it's just very chill.
Yeah,
like, you
yeah.
just rapping.
The first one was chill too, so
Yeah,
this
yeah.
was chill.
Say about it.
Yeah.
Like, but it was an 8 out of 10 for me. It would have been a 9 if it was longer. So.
Yeah. Okay. I agree with this. Yeah. But hey, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below what we track to next.